We can describe our thoughts, the way of thinking, in three ways. Leaves comes and goes with the wind. As the wind blows them, they go and they come. They don't stay at one place. And that is exactly the same with some thoughts. They come and they go. They don't stay in your mind forever. Then you get this kind of thoughts that are like bees and birds that are traveling a lot. They will stay at a certain place for just a while and then they will go on again on their journey. And that is also with thoughts that coming our way. Things that we work through, and as soon as we are done with it, it's just out of our heads. But then we get this kind of thoughts that are like birds that are making nests at a certain place. Spiders that are making their web at a certain place, which they don't move from there. That is those thoughts that are containing memories, thoughts that you will never forget, things that hurted you, that stays there in your mind.